Alright guys, welcome back to the video. So please ignore the state of the shop. I'm kind of firing all cylinders right now. It's been super busy and I haven't had a whole lot of time to clean, but that's not going to change today because we're getting into another small project. And for this one, we're going to be making just a simple cake stand. So this is going to be kind of combining some of the spindle work I've tried to do before with some of the platter turning you guys may have seen on here and on my Instagram. So I've already got all my pieces milled out. The first part for the base is this big chunk of 8/4 cherry that I glued up. It's 3 pieces of 8/4 cherry all glued into a block, cut down to about 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 square. And yeah, it's a nice big hefty chunk. So we're gonna be turning this on the lathe just to be a nice simple spindle. So it's gonna be about 5 inches on the bottom. We're gonna taper to about 3 inches on the top, or 3.5 inches on the top, and then put a 1.5 inch round tenon on there. That will then go into our platter. Similarly for the platter, I glued up this panel made of 8/4 stock that was resawed on its sides. It's about 1 1/4 inch thick. And so typically these platters would be a little bit thinner than 1 1/4 inches, but again, because we're turning it on the lathe, we need to have that extra space that will then take off near the end of the project. So right now it's going to be quite thick and we do have a lot of material to remove here. And so the first step here is we need to turn our platter, make sure we've got that all finished up, get that all the way to its final finished stages, because the most important thing there is we need to have our 1.5 inch diameter hole on the bottom side to then create our tenon on when we get around to turning our base piece. If we try to turn the base piece first, it's much harder to create that tenon accurately without an actual reference hole to put it on.